Gewoon erin stoppen, kijk.
Ja, dat is helemaal goed. Ja?
Jullie gaan naar Marzuka, hè?
Marzuka, ja. Ja. Naar Marrakesh aan het einde. Aan het einde naar Marrakesh.
Van Marzuka naar Marrakesh?
Nee, vanaf boven naar beneden.
Ja.
Het hele rondje. Het hele rondje.
Nou, we hebben er helaas maar een paar van. Maar ja, daar kun jullie denk ik
alle hulp is welkom.
Mensen blij mee maken.
Ja, super.
Ja. Nou, dit is een lunchbox.
Ja, super.
Hij is wel gemaakt op Hollandse boterhammen. De Marokkaanse boterhammen zijn goed, helemaal niet bestuderen. Is the difference between Moroccan and Dutch bread? Even kijken, we krijgen deze ook nog eens.
Ja, het is...
Ja, zo ja. Goed beveiligd.
Ah, super.
Ja, super. En dit is in Marokko heel handig. Water.
Flesje water, super.
Uiteraard met Arnhem erop.
Ja, dankjewel.
Oh,
perfect. Thank you very much.
That's for here.
Gorgeous, thank you so much.
Perfect. Gaan we zeker goed af kunnen nemen.
Er zijn nog een paar dozen hier. Met heel goed. De groeten van de Arnhemse gemeenschap.
Was net.
Loopt het een beetje, de donaties en zo?
Ja, we hebben het een en ander.
Moet je daar nog een beetje aan trekken? Beetje wel. Ja? Ja. En zijn jullie wel eens in Marokko geweest?
Eerste keer.
Allereerst.
Oké, allereerste keer. Oh. First time.
Ja.
Tiende keer. Yo hablo Spain. Hablo español. Sí. Un poquito. Café con leche. Bocadillo. Sin jamón.
In de noorden.
We need these words. So, I have been a lot of trips in Andalusia. I like Andalusia. I am from Andalusia. Okay, which place?
From Malaga.
From Malaga?
Yeah.
Yes, beautiful.
Het was zo
You
like you prefer north and south of Spain or?
Andalusia, because
Same,
you know the culture,
yeah,
and also the food.
Came to London.
A lot of common with Moroccan traditions. And I like the Spanish language.
One of the towns close to where I live, for example, the name is Alaurin.
Alaurin, yeah. That's clearly because of the design system. 100 years of Arabic civilization. Maar jullie zeggen dan ook
Yes.
International experiences.
Die Algeciras, hè? Die Algeciras. Ja.
Ja.
So it's important in Spain.
We are lucky
Definitely.
we are translated. Even he speaks some French, so we are good for Belgium and France.
Okay.
And speaks French for France. So the only thing we don't have anyone who speaks Arabic.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe you want to come?
I would like to.
We have some space upstairs.
Huh? Getting there. Cars stuff.
And then some
Oh, beautiful.
for you.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Put it on the car.
Thank you very much. Perfect.
We know where to go. Dan lopen we
Ja,
Yeah, yeah. Februari 2023. We made some improvements.
Is this sound is really strong?
Those experiences that we heard were good. As this is our first trip.
Yeah.
But they were good.
Morocco is a beautiful country.
Exactly.
We have moments to share, moments of friendship. It's winter, yes, it's true, but it's nice.
So with your trip you connect.
Yes.
South.
Dat staat wel op de planning. So the timeline for us is that during the next year the other car will be converted to a fuel injection model and electric, so it will be hybrid.
The first one for hybrid.
Yeah, the first Renault for hybrid. Yeah, that's the planning for the next year. Then we will take that one to the rally.
Okay.
And this needs after the coming rally it will need a complete redo, as it will put some strain on the cars.
Yes. Now what do you know about Morocco and clean energy? You know something about that?
I know a fact that if we were to cover, I think it was maybe 3% of the Sahara Desert, that would be enough solar energy for, I think, the whole world of Europe or something like that. There's opportunities there.
Yeah, now we are working with energy since 2009, and our objective for 2030 is to have 52% of our consumption from green energy. And Morocco have enough sun, wind, we have the Mediterranean Sea and also the Atlantic Ocean. And with Europe we are friends, we are partners, and we are also neighbors. Because at the cost also for the green energy will be so expensive.
It's an investment.
Morocco is a bit different. Important across the world.
Now we would like to make a small presentation just to talk a bit about the team. Most of you already know quite a lot about the team, but show you some pictures also of previous rallies and some videos and explain a bit more about our trip. But first, a bit of explanation about who we are. We're a group of students. We are a student team at the HAN. We're located there, here in Arnhem. We are, for now, up until now, we were automotive engineering students and international business students. But this semester, with a new project that we have started, we have also embedded systems and mechanical engineering students. So we are diversifying quite a bit. And we have 2.5 104s to participate in the first trophy. The half 104 was a project that we had in mind to make a pickup, but for now it's been to the sideline. And we are doing the first steps of research with what was previously for Future Project and is now renamed to the LESS project.
So, what is the 4L Trophy? Well, this is going to be the rally which we will be partaking in. We are departing tomorrow, and it's basically a humanitarian rally which is organized within the Moroccan desert. So yeah, it was established in 1997 by an organization named HAN4L, which is a French organization that helps Moroccan kids in the desert by building schools and supplying them. And other teams with which we are racing are mostly French, but different nationalities are also partaking in the rally. And yeah, we will be departing here in Arnhem and driving all the way to France, south of France, and then partaking in the rally with all the other cars.
Of course, the goal of the 4L Trophy since the start was humanitarian goals, helping provide access to education to children in the desert. Through the admission fees that we pay to the rally to participate, part of that is then used by the organization to build classrooms, build schools, and also donate school supplies and such. but also every one of the 4Ls that take part in the trip all take some donations to schools, sports, medical, computer supplies, and which are all donated at the end of the trip.
Yeah, so the rally is not primarily about time, so it's not the fastest driver that wins, but rather navigation. So we're not allowed to use any GPS or .com, but we need to travel by map and compass. So there's going to be a navigator and a driver which can switch. So yeah, it's, the goal is to win the stage with the rally book, and the efficiency of the navigation is key. As you can see on the left here, this is the journey we will be taking. As you can see, we start in the south of France, right there, all the way to Spain with about 1,600 other cars, all Renault 4s, and then southeast of Morocco, and the Souga of the Wood, Marrakesh.
In the past, as with today also, we had some media coverage from national and local outlets. Today we were lucky to have RTV Connect here and Gandelandes. And we have of course also our social media. Last year the race we got featured on Top Gear France, which is a really nice show about the cars. It's quite known worldwide. These are our cars on Instagram. And on our Instagram page all the updates, but you can see the videos during the trophy. We featured this video. You can see the challenges, a lot of cars getting stuck, navigation, pulling all the cars out, helping, because that's also part of the trip, part of the challenge. You're there with many other people in the same situation, and you have to try and help them out whenever you can, share parts if they're missing something, and also play together, socialize, and enjoy. There we are stuck. I think there we are
Pushing the car.
Again. We expect that to happen quite a few times, rally also.
Yeah, so as you probably saw, both cars outside. It's a quick show. So this is the first car that the team owned. This is the GTL, the smaller version, which me and Valentijn right there will be driving. This is the first car, and it's modified with a roll cage, a roof rack, and recently, this year actually, we rebuilt the entire car. So we took everything apart, including the engine, rebuilt the engine, got a very brand new chassis, painted it all, and assembled it with a lot of new parts. So this car is fully restored, and we're very excited to take it on the trip and see how it performs.
And the second car, the hauler, it was bought a few years ago and was completely restored by the 2022 team. And it's French Poland bus. It has a lot of storage space, especially with the national front. And yeah, since 2022 also it has been competing, we've been competing with both cars. And it is the car that is converted to fuel injection from carburetor, which is one of the proudest projects of the team. And is in the process of being turbocharged. Sadly for this year it was not possible, but in the future this will be out outside. And that brings me to the future of the team. This is the new project that we have started, Project MES, which stands for Light Electrical Sustainable Solutions. And it is a project for this semester. We will be building the world's first hybrid Renault 4. Will be an off-road rally car to keep the spirit of the team. And we will have an advanced hybrid electric system with internal combustion engine in the front. It will be updated, converted to fuel injection. We will also retrofit a catalytic converter to reduce the emissions. And we hope to also increase the efficiency of the engine by converting it to fuel injection. And then for the rear axle, to make it four-wheel drive and increase the performance in off-road conditions, we want to put in a 48-volt, 6-phase, really advanced high-technology electric motor. That should give us a really nice performance off-roading. And focus is on hybrid design. The goal of this initiative is to, yes, make a hybrid look into electric solutions, but also keep it light. Because what we see is a lot of modern electric cars are way too heavy, but this is a project to keep them light. So yeah, the focus is on hybrid design, reducing fuel consumption, reducing tailpipe emissions while still keeping food performance. It will be a collaboration with more from the HAN, the modular research team. And together with them, with their expertise and their components, we hope to work in driving car by the 25th of June. And then semester after semester we will be building on it and improving it, making it more efficient and more smart. Because sometimes less is more, good collaboration with more, and yeah. That brings me to why HAN4L.
Well, HAN4L, of course, is a beautiful initiative. I think many of us joined the team coming from an automotive background because we saw the opportunity to work hands-on on nice vehicles which are old and very accessible and perfect platforms to learn on. And then the environment in which we landed was a beautiful initiative to connect together with other coaches, other people from different disciplines and also different cultural backgrounds, and it allowed us to get to this spot where we have the beautiful chance to make a beautiful trip. And I think we're all very excited to explore the lesser known part of the world to us and bring some of that back home and show our part of the world to them, and also have a helping hand in the meantime. So I am very excited. I think all of my co-drivers can agree.
Yes.
And we're very happy to have you here to be able to talk to you and to do this presentation.
The most important part, thank you. Thank you first of all to the comments for making this possible with organizing the event, the place inside the beautiful church. And thank you to all of our sponsors. Without you it would not be possible. It's extremely important for us, and it really gives an impact here locally in Arnhem to the students for our futures, but also